All right, man. Here go another light video, man. Y'all see what's going on. Now, if y'all really been following the channel, y'all know about these. We got like 10K views on these. But anyway, about to get the first mod on a Redeye. I mean, on a big Redeye. First mod coming. Now I know if you seen the last couple videos, I did add some small stuff. I had this trim in 3 different cars. Just so y'all see the before and after. This is the new light. This is the old light. And this is just the start, man. Mind you, I only had the car for almost 2 weeks now, and I haven't done much to it, just the small stuff you've seen. See, the car is pretty dirty, man. It did rain. Shit, it snowed in a couple of places, but it did rain, so the car is dirty. But nonetheless, definitely about to go ahead and get the first mod done to the car. Man, I'm telling y'all right now, man, I'm cooking. I'm moving fast. I'm ordering parts now. I'm seeing what to get. Y'all see the blue, man. Y'all see the blue. Y'all should know where we going. Just from the title thumbnail, you should know where we headed, man. And also, wait. Y'all, man, a little cold start. Muffler delete. Hey, muffler delete about to come because the car, man, it's just a little bit too quiet for your boy. Too quiet. Go ahead and pull that, you know what I'm saying, red key only. See, man, we at 497. So I'm about to go to the gas station because the gas is pretty low. I'm about to go ahead and fill the car up. But you see, we at 497. About to cross that 500 mark, man. Y'all see it. Big red key. About to head to the gas station, man. I'll put the camera back up. Y'all see where we at, man. If you don't know, you already know what I'm gonna tell y'all about, man. Get the Gas Buddy app. Now I'm about to start putting in my, I'm about to put my referral code down in the comments. Definitely go get the app. Y'all see, I'm about to say 27 cents off a gallon. Plus, I'm about to put in my rewards number and get 15 cents off. That's gonna be 42 cents off this 328, man. Mind you, when you riding, you know, big cats, big scats, you know, it's big gas prices, man. So you want to save every penny you can, man. I'm telling y'all right now, if you don't got the app, you wasting money. I'm literally saving money every time I hit the pump, man. So download the Gas Buddy app, use my referral code at the bottom, or don't. Either way, you're gonna save some money, man. And whatever place you get your gas for, definitely sign up for the rewards program they have there, because you're gonna have the Gas Buddy discount plus whatever rewards program you signed up for, you know. So go ahead and get this gas, man. Fill up this thing, man. Oh, see, man, $4.99. Let me see if I can catch that 500. That last mile taking forever. 500? Nope. 500. Come on, dog. Damn, there's so much dirt on the ground. 500, man. Y'all see, man. Big 500, big 220, big Redeye, man. Hey, man. Hey. I'm telling y'all right now, for y'all thinking, oh, 500, listen, man, 500 miles, I'm still able to do what I was doing before 500 miles, man. About to y'all light slight pull right now. Hold up, man. Come on, dog. Come on, man. Come on, dog. Big red key, bro. Big red key. It's a little wet, though. It's a little wet out here. It's still a little wet, but fuck it. Y'all see where we at, man. Y'all see what's going on. Anyway, quarantine time. Mask up, mask down, whatever. About to get first mod to the Hellcat, man. Wait, I don't know why I keep saying Hellcat, man. To the big Redeye. Y'all already know where I go for all my decals, final work, this, that, and the third, man. About to go ahead and, I don't know, wait, do the side, do the front to back, I don't know, man. Stay tuned. Definitely stay tuned all the way to the end of the video. Now, I'm doing this in 2 parts because I can't have my car tied up here all day for 2 days in a row. So I'm about to do part of it now, part of it later. But nonetheless, man, First mod to the big Redeye, man. You see it's super dirty right now, man. It's super dirty. But go ahead and get it clean after I get it done, man. Show y'all when we done. Big Redeye. Alright, man. I'll see where we at, man. Either way, look. It's the next day. While I was getting down to the car, they wasn't able to completely do it that same day because it was so cold. It's cold now, but I wanted to finish this video up. You seen pretty much everything I was doing beforehand. Just the outro. The next day after, they had to keep the car overnight. I was a little sick, but I wasn't really tripping, man. So look, I'm gonna show y'all what I did to the car. Y'all already know, man. Y'all seen what I did to the last Scat, man. Y'all seen how crazy that was. Don't even imagine what I'm about to do this one. This is just the start. Still got a long way to go. Still working on the other stuff for the car. I got stuff coming in the mail. I ain't pretty much took up the whole little 4 pumps up here, but I know I ain't gonna say nothing, man, because hey, bro, this my gas station, man. This hey, big Redeye. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what's going on, man. The wheels kind of dirty, but they did clean the car up for me, man. I don't know if y'all ready, man. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think, man. Do this hit or not? Let me know. It's looking kind of crazy, man. I don't know if I should. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, man. Come on, man. Y'all see. Y'all see what's going on. Hey, and I got the backdrop. You see, we got the Chevron. You know, it's crazy. I don't use Chevron gas. You only be at Shell, but hey, we got to switch to Chevron, dog. Y'all see, man. Got the metallic silver, black pinstripe. Big stripes, boy. Big stripes for the big Redeye. Y'all see, hey, back to back, man, front to back, man. No short chains, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see, but anyway, y'all see. Let me just show y'all again. Y'all see. Y'all let me know. I don't know how it's looking in the camera, but it is like a metallic silver with the black pinstripe. Y'all see, man. We got it all the way thick stripes. I don't know, man. These stripes go crazy. And the car, you see the car glistening too, man. The blue with these gray stripes. Let me get on this side real quick, man, so y'all can really see. Y'all see, man. So y'all already know. We got the stripes, so you already know what we gotta do next. You already know what we gotta do next, man. Blank canvas. Big blank canvas. Big Redeye. So you already know. I'm about to go stupid on the side. Went stupid on the stripes, man. The stripe, hey, y'all can't tell me the stripes gonna go crazy. And wait till you see the design for the side is already done. It's already completed. I just gotta go get it. Now, the plan was to go get it next week, but the stripes go so crazy. I want the car to marinate. I want y'all to enjoy the stripes for a little bit, man. I want to take a couple pictures without the side done, just with the stripes for right now. Y'all see, man. Nonetheless, man. First mod to the Hellcat. Definitely got way more mods coming in the mail. Way more videos coming, reviews, installs, this, that, and third, man. That's pretty much it, man. I'm out. Big Redeye.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me. Charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas. Like pocket 96. 11 past 11.